So California's got a lot of tunnels. Some are public, like this one in Seal Beach, but some are secret and private, like the one we heard about up at Lake Arrowhead. It's been filled in for safety, so we couldn't go into the tunnel, but what's at the end of the tunnel is still up there. And it used to be run by Bugsy Siegel and the LA mob. Take a moment, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and let's go check out the mob hangout up at Lake Arrowhead. Follow me. So I'm here with John Connor, owner of the Tudor house, which turns out had a mob history to it. So John, tell me what this place used to be back in the day.
Well, the project to build this building started in 23 and finished in 29. The builders borrowed the money from the Los Angeles mob, and Great Depression came along. They couldn't pay him back, so the mob did take it over and turned it into one of the 3 or 4 places in all of Southern California where you could gamble, you could drink, you could do other activities, and you were very remote. Nobody's going to see you. There's an underground tunnel that leads you from the hotel brothel, aka to
Wait a minute. What? Wait a minute. I heard a word in there. It was the hotel was what?
Well, they turned the hotel into the brothel. This was a casino where they gambled.
We've stumbled upon a hornet's nest here.
It's true, and when we go see the hotel, which we should, there's certain indications of how it was used during the mob era on the building.
But there's a tunnel. Is it a tunnel?
A tunnel, because people didn't want to be seen. So, people like Bing Crosby, George Raft did come up here. They were here. There's stories about that. The tunnel was used so they could come and go and not be seen. You could go from the hotel brothel underground under this building, so you could come and go, nobody saw you.
So one-stop shopping, vertical integration of a marketplace did not start with Jeff Bezos. It started with Bugsy Siegel. So John, this is the hotel, and remind me the name.
Bracken Fern Manor, yeah.
Bracken Fern Manor, and you said it was built based on?
Well, this design element of this building, East Coast, Connecticut Seaside Hotel Cottage.
People can rent rooms?
No, we do group events.
Group events, okay.
So you bring your group, you take the whole place, stay as long as you want.
So retreats or
retreats.
visits?
We have weddings, we have birthday party, we have family reunions, we have just every event. Where you need a group, it'll sleep 25.
Okay, but not a brothel anymore.
I said 95%. Didn't I? Where did I?
Oh my God!
Remember the 95%?
Somebody call the police quickly.
Once you rent the place out,
it's none of your business. But we're having fun up here on the back.
Oh yeah.
Let's go take a look. So we're walking down the hallway, and I stop John and I say, "It says Violet on here. What does that mean?" So tell me why a woman's name is on the door.
Well, I'm glad you asked.
He's not glad I asked.
When the mob was running it, this building was the brothel. And so you decided which room you're going to go to when you saw the brochures across the street.
Wow.
You picked a room, and then you came here and you found it.
Okay.
So Violet has more of more of the ghost stories. So this room incidentally had a special feature where you could participate in this room without coming in by simply standing outside.
Oh, no. So, John Connor, thank you so much for this incredible historic tour of Bracken Fern Manor. I keep messing up the name. So, we're going to put the information how to get in touch with you.
Sure.
Both for the Tudor house, Bracken Fern Manor, and there's another property you'd mentioned?
Another building. It used to be the clubhouse, pool house.
Okay, and you rent that out too?
We rent that out.
Okay, so if you have a group, you have a wedding, get in touch with John.
Come here, stay there. 10 bedrooms, 10 baths. You got a kitchen, library, lounge, fireplace, everything.
And you can pick a room that's named after a woman that, whatever.
Whatever. Those are the old days.
Yeah, but John, this is so great. I love this area. And so that's our look at Bracken Fern Manor and the Tudor House. And that's this episode. Remember to like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and tell us why you're the best of California, and we'll come cover you. See you next time. No matter where you live in America, you can check out the best of California. Go to funroads.tv and check out where we air in your market. We're in Detroit, Salt Lake City, Las Vegas, Philadelphia, everywhere here in California, Los Angeles, San Francisco, San Luis Obispo, Fresno, Bakersfield. Check out funroads.tv, and wherever you live, I hope you think it's the best as well. Here's to California. I'm Pat Pattison. Talk to you soon.